So I climbed down off my throne and jumped into a ship. And the ship was actually pretty good. I actually enjoyed this ship as far as cruisers go. Graf Spee, I would say, is on par with Lyran. And I think in a head-to-head match they'd be really, really close. It would just depend on how the grenade launcher played out against the torpedoes and the DPM revolution that they would go up against. I think the Lyran has a little bit better range than the Graf Spee does, and the torpedoes are generally slower, but it has better anti-sub. Now, I'm no expert on ships, but I can say it's a good ship. I can also tell you that this carrier right here isn't using nearly enough assets available to him to take me down, and that's going to be his downfall. I chose the Wave Riders for this particular build because with only one slot, you either have to run Atmicas to eventually outpace flares, and then you can start talking about piercing anti-air, or you can just run Wave Riders or a guided missile and add to its manual damage, which is always good for people who are peeking in and out and stuff, so you don't have to sit there and wait for lock. It's a little better in certain situations. This carrier right here should have went forward one behind the rock during his opening, but he didn't, and that's his misplay. I think he even goes in reverse for whatever reason right here. But I'm going to let you guys watch the video. It is a good one. Make sure to leave me a like and subscribe if you're new.
Launch reporting. Attack from enemy warships. Missile silo 1 reporting. Missile away. I'm seeing a flash on the radar. The enemy ship has been destroyed. Firing missile on enemy warships. Prepare for launch. Missile ready. Alpha ahead. Right turn, take course 120. Heading 340, full ahead. Left turn, take course 070. Full speed ahead. Turn right 30 degrees. Left full rudder. All engines full stop. Prepare for launch, missile ready. Locked on enemy missiles. We're prepared for shallow launch. We've intercepted enemy missiles. All engines full stop. Locked on enemy missiles. We're prepared for shallow launch. Missile silos, transfer target package, Alpha Bravo.